Alright, what we have here is my brand new monitor for a computer that I'm building. And I'm going to have a video on all the components and also a video of me building the computer. So this is the first video in that series. It's a Samsung SyncMaster P2770H. It's a 27-inch monitor. The resolution is 1920 by 1080. It's got a fast 2 millisecond response time. It has a 70,000 to 1 dynamic contrast ratio. It has an HDMI port in the back, and it has touch buttons on the monitor itself which turn it on and do the controls on it. So this is an unboxing of this, and once the computer's built, I'll actually show you the monitor in action. So let's get started and cut this baby open. Now I'm in my kitchen here since this is such a big box, and so if you hear anything, it's probably my refrigerator. All right. What we have here is the power brick that plugs into the monitor itself, and then, like a laptop, you plug the cord into the wall. We have the power cord that plugs into that. We have a disc which has a monitor driver and magic tune, and I guess that's a way to control the monitor, and of course your instruction booklet. We have a monitor cord and another monitor cord here, which is the DVI to DVI. This monitor cord that I already pulled out is DVI to VGA. Let's go to the other side here. This right here is the base of the monitor. And let's actually open that up so you can see it. And instructions how to put it together. It's a very nice gloss finish, like a lot of Samsung televisions and monitors, and it actually has a red tint to it. So it's black with a little red tint on the outside. And this is a little neck that connects the base of the monitor to the actual monitor itself. So there we go. And that is a clear acrylic with a black at the base, and I'll be sticking it in right there, like that. Piece of styrofoam. Now here is the main part of it, the monitor itself. Try and get this into the screen here, because this is a large monitor. Like I said, it's a 27-inch. So hopefully the camera is filming this. There we go. Let's see. There's the monitor. Let's prop it up here. Alright, one of the interesting things here on the base, as I showed you earlier, you stick the neck into the base here. It only goes in one way. And you lock it in. It's a little screw in the bottom. I don't know if you can see this, but you can either use a Phillips head, or you can actually put this metal piece up so you can grip it and then twist that and tighten it that way. Nice and tight. Pop the metal piece back down, and then you got your base put together. And then you want to slide it into the slot here, so I have the monitor face down, which is the way I'd like you to have it. And then what you want to do is just slide this piece where it meets into here until it snaps, and then it's together real nice. Alright, here we go. The monitor is all set up, and it actually has still the protective plastic on it, so let me remove that. I'm doing this on a handheld, so let's remove some of this plastic, and I can show you what it looks like. Alright, this is the back of the monitor. You have your power inlet here, your DVI port here, your HDMI port here, your audio out here, and digital audio out. This monitor does not have speakers, so if you use the HDMI in, you have your outputs here, either just a regular audio or digital audio, so you can output that to your speakers. Alright, as you can see, the monitor is set up on my desk, and this is a regular size keyboard here. So you can see the size of the monitor. It's quite large, 27 inches. And I just want to show you the swivel function on it. The swivel function is actually a turntable built into the base. It's not sliding on the desk. It's a little turntable built in the base. So that makes it nice if you want to, change your viewing angle. And the actual monitor tilts up. That's as far as it tilts up. And then it tilts back. So that is the Samsung SyncMaster P2770H. The next time you see it in one of my videos, it'll be hooked up to a brand new computer that I built myself. It's going to be my first computer I've ever built, so I'm pretty excited about it. So until then, I'll see you.